shouted esta weekly testo. Well, that's early! Oh. Bruh.
The same system will make all the counties affected by a particular warning. In 11 a.m. and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless the weather threatens. Testing our times on the programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHP32 Tampa Bay, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The tower for KHP32 is located in Riverview in Hillsborough County and serves west central Florida, with programming originating from the National Weather Service office in Ruskin. The station provides warning alerts for Hillsborough, Pinellas, Pasco, Polk, Harvey, and Manatee counties. Your coastal waters forecast for the KHV 32 listening area. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 1:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight.